If you're serious about making money with AI, then this is the one video that you must watch to start this journey. I'm going to introduce you to somebody who's giving away everything that you need for free. Stand by for a simulation. If you've been watching my videos for any amount of time, you know that I get into a lot of different things. Life of a Boring Old Guy, that is what it's all about. One of the biggest things that I want to do is I want to be able to make money off the internet. Haven't quite got there, but you know what? I'm still working at it. Well, I could be wrong. I'm actually making some money trading stocks. I'm stuck in a trade right now, but that's not that bad because now what that's done, that's allowed me to focus on some other things and see what's out there. So I want to introduce you to somebody. This person has been working with AI for years. He's actually a programmer, has created an entire training course, and has been selling training courses for the longest amount of time to help people with AI to make money off the internet. Well, that changed earlier this year. And what he's decided to do is give everything away. He has this entire plan written out for everybody to use to take advantage of what he's done. Absolutely fantastic. So this is Chase. So Chase has actually been on YouTube since 2014. Lots of great stuff. So we'll go up here. So he's with Shinefy. Shinefy is the company he created. Again, like I said, he was a programmer. We'll jump over here to videos. And he has, you can see here, he's got over 4,000 videos. But lately, in the past couple of years, there has been a ton of stuff on AI. A lot of stuff. And he's been making a ton of money off of AI. So, okay, skeptical, it's AI, it's computer generated, everything. But does this really work? It works. I just got started last week and I'm already seeing some progress. I've learned some AI programming that I never knew, and it's absolutely amazing what he's done, what I've been able to learn in the last week or so. So what he has done. So first off, this checklist gives you everything that you need. Every program, every AI tool is on here. He also has videos on each one. So all you have to do is click right here, this start here, and go to this video and watch that video and do what he says. That's it. His whole thing is if you can copy him and do what he does, you're going to make money. That's it. That's all you need to do is just do what he does. And there's already a bunch of people that are doing it. There's also a Discord that he's got up and going. I apologize. I did not have the Discord up. Let's get the Discord up. He's got a Discord up for free. All of this is for free. So you can join the Discord. You can ask questions. Did you know? Yes, I knew that. Okay, so here's the Discord. All kinds of stuff. There's all kinds. So he had this video yesterday where he talked about Python scripts. Here's a script that you need to succeed. Just use it. You can get in and just ask questions, see what's going on. I try to participate in this as much as I can. Of course, I'm working at the same time, so it's kind of tough. Every time he goes live, the lives are here. And he goes live once a day. Once a day. He's there to answer your questions to be successful. So this is his main master list. Again, there's going to be a link in the bottom for my master list, which is exactly the same as his. I absolutely love this because all you got to do, and actually let's jump on mine. I'll show you where I am at. Let's open, go to mine. Come on. No, master copy. That's what I want right there. The master copy. Bum, bum, bum. There you go. See, as you complete things, and actually I need to mark off 11 labs because I already completed 11 labs. So as you go down and you take these courses and you sign up for these different things, and I have Canva, so I can mark Canva off. That's what I'm doing. You've been using that for a couple of years now. Oh, and Gen 3. I did Gen 3. I made a video. Okay, in a matter of a week, I have learned a bunch of AI stuff, and I've created myself. Here, examples of things that I've created so far. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So the one thing I will tell you, the most important, if you take anything from this video, The most important thing you need to know and what you need to do is just jump in and do stuff. Okay, that's what I did. I jumped in. I, I'm following the list. I'm going down the list. I'm doing exactly what he says. I'm watching all his videos posting. I finally was able to get onto a live yesterday. Absolutely fantastic. Something completely different. That's another making AI videos. That's the one I did yesterday. I did an AI video. I've never done an AI video. My God, it was so flippin' easy. Just do it. Just jump in, watch the videos. It's all free. Every bit of it is free. It's absolutely amazing. As a matter of fact, go high. Actually, we'll go to this real quick. So this is high level. High level is kind of where it all starts at. It gives you a funnel to do some different things. Where is their promotion? I want their promotion. This is absolutely incredible. They're giving away $25,000 to YouTube creators. No, not one person's going to get 25. They're giving $20,000 to one person and $1,000 to 5 other people to participate, to grow your channel, which I think is absolutely amazing. But there's also affiliate programs in here as well where you can make a ton of money. All you have to do is get somebody to sign up for free for this, and you make $100 free. Like the thumbnail says, free money or free money. Yes. Anyway, so I don't want to make this video really, really long because that makes it boring. I want you to investigate Shinefy and I want you to investigate Shane because he is absolutely fantastic. He is true to his word. He's giving away all of his knowledge for free. He sold courses in the past. He doesn't sell them anymore. He's giving this away for free. He wants everybody to succeed in AI, and these courses are really simple. Very, very simple. My best advice to you when you jump into this, like I have, be patient. Watch the videos over and over again. Learn what you're doing. Go step by step. Watch each of the videos in the timeline. They're timeline for a reason. They're in a specific order, so that way you know exactly what video to watch. Okay? He's putting new videos up every day. This checklist is constantly updated. So, link in the bottom to this checklist, which is free. So click it, go check it out. Join us in the Discord, which is phenomenal, and make some money in AI. Jump in, do it. You can do it. Trust me. If this old guy can do it, I know you can do it. So get on it.